Good afternoon, Dr. Jamila and everyone. My name is Lee Jason. Today I will talk about how contingency leadership theories can be applied among 21st century leaders with real-life examples. In today's world, the organizations face rapid technological change, remote working, globalization, and workforce diversity. Because of these changes, leaders cannot use only one leadership style. Leaders must adjust their leadership style according to the situations, and this is the main idea behind the contingency leadership. Contingency leadership means that leadership's effectiveness depends on the situations. There is no single best leadership style. Leaders must consider the followers, the tasks, and the environments before deciding how to lead. One important theory is Field's contingency theory. This theory explains that leaders usually have a stable leadership style, either task-oriented or relationship-oriented. The leaders become effective when they are placed in situations that match their style. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the leaders in hospital needed to be task-oriented by setting strict procedures, schedules, and safety rules. This helps control the crisis. In contrast, in companies like Google, leaders are often relationship-oriented because innovation depends on teamwork, trust, and open communication. Another theory is leadership's continuum model. This model shows the leadership can range from boss-centered to employee-centered. In modern organizations, leaders move along this continuum depending on the situations. For example, in a software development team, leaders encourage employees to share ideas and make decisions together. However, in an airline company, leaders become more boss-centered when safety rules must be followed strictly to avoid accidents. And the normative decisions model explains how leaders choose the best decision-making style. Leaders can decide alone or involve others depending on the importance of quality and acceptance. For example, when a company decides on long-term strategies, leaders usually consult managers and employees to gain better ideas and commitment. However, when there is a cyber attack or system failure, leaders must decide quickly without consultations to reduce damage. Situational leadership focuses on the readiness of followers. Readiness refers to competence and commitment. For example, when new graduates join a company, leaders provide clear instructions and close supervision. When employees become more skilled, leaders shift to coaching and supporting them. When employees are highly experienced and motivated, leaders delegate tasks and trust them to work independently. This is common in professional fields such as engineering, education, and consulting. The path goal theory explains how leaders motivate employees by helping them to achieve goals. Leaders clarify tasks, remove obstacles, and provide support. For example, a project manager may provide training for employees who are struggling with new software, offer emotional support during stressful deadlines, involve employees in planning, and set challenging targets for high performers. This increases motivation and job satisfaction. In conclusion, contingency leadership theories are very useful for 21st century leaders. These theories show that leadership is flexible and situation-based. Leaders must understand their people, their tasks, and their environment before choosing how to lead. By applying contingency leadership, modern leaders can manage change, motivate employees, and improve performance more effectively. That's all of my presentations, and thank you so much.